Hi everyone, this is Kenlin and we are adding decimals in this lesson. To begin, when we are adding decimals, we must remember place values. Depending on where the number is located or positioned, the value of that number differs. For example, in this number 213.132, there are 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. On the other side of the decimal, there is 1/10th, 300th, and 2,000th. When we are adding decimals, we must line up the decimal points. On the example on the left, 512.01 plus 20.3, we line up the decimals. On the example on the right, 512.01 plus 20.3, the decimals are not lined up. The reason why we do this is because 512 plus 512.1 plus 20.3, if we do not add up the decimals, the 3 ends up with the 1. We add 3 to the 1, but the 1 in 512.01 is in the 100th place, and the 3 in the 20.3 is in the 10th place. These are examples. 512.01 plus 20.3. We line up the decimals and put down the 1, and then we add 3 plus 0, which is 3. We put down the decimal point. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then we put down the 5, which gives us an answer of 532.31. On this other example on the right side, 104.133 plus 1.08. We put down the 3, and then we add 8 plus 3, which is 11, carry over the 1, which gives us 1 plus 1 equals 2. We put down the decimal, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, and we put down the 0 and the 1, which gives us an answer of 105.213. Remember, the same rules apply when you are subtracting decimals. Remember to line up the decimals. When you are multiplying decimals, you do not need to line up the decimals. There are different set of rules for multiplying decimals.